Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download songs from Spotify on phone. First of all, of course, if you don't have Spotify on your phone, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just launch my Spotify here, and let's just wait until it loads. Of course I would like, or as we said, you would like to sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you already have an account. So let me just log in to my account and I'm coming back. So as you can see here, after of course logging into my account, first of all let me just tell you that downloading actually Spotify music is currently not available if you don't have a premium account. But of course if you have a premium account, of course all you need to do, just head up to your favorite song that you would like actually to download. So let me just maybe go here to my library, which is of course at the bottom right corner. Let me just dismiss this, and as you can see here, I'll find here several or a lot of songs. So let me just go here to my liked song, and okay, and let's just choose one of them. So in the playlist here, as you can see here, in the playlist we will have the option here that will let us actually download the songs. So as you can see here, we have an option like it's download, which on the right of enhance. So if I click on that, as you can see here, the download will actually start. As you can see here, downloading 1 out of 2. So let me just stop the downloads because I really don't want to download actually anything. I'm just actually showing you. But if you do have a premium, you will have this option which will let you actually download the songs to your phone, and you can of course listen to them offline if you don't have maybe internet on your phone. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.